So a lot of you get images from Google when you are doing PowerPoint projects and publisher projects, and you're doing something wrong when you don't give credit to the source, at least the source from where you actually got the picture or image. The most common mistake with this is that you can just put Google and that will be okay. That's not okay. Google is a search engine. It is not a resource. You do have to actually go through and find the information that you need to cite the actual image. So even if you find these images through Google using Google Images, you have to click on the image and go to the original source for the image. It's going to be another website. To get to that source, you need to click on the image and then click website for this image or take me to the website. Usually that's going to be found on the upper right side of the screen. So this picture was found through Google Images, and the citation for this picture is found below. This is the actual citation. I'm going to highlight that just so you can see what it looks like. And below it, you're going to see how to cite a Google image. First, you're going to have the title of the image or your own description of the image if it doesn't give you a title, followed by a period, the words digital image, followed by a period, the title of the website where it was published, followed by a period, the date it was published, if they give you that information, followed by a period, the word web, because that's your medium, you found it on the internet, followed by a period, the date that you saw it, so that would be today's date or tomorrow's date, whenever you access that information, followed by a period, and then an abbreviated URL, the website from which you actually found the picture or information. So let's just take a look at how to do this. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the citation information into a Word document, and we are going to look for some information for a picture on Google Images. And I type in Abraham Lincoln, because I'm going to do a project on Abraham Lincoln. And I go to images. Let's say I want to use this image down here in the corner. And you can copy and paste that into your project. But to get the information for the citation, you would need to click that image and click the button that says Visit Page. And there's the picture. Now, the first thing that we need, we'll go back to the Word document, we need the title of the image or your own description of the image. Okay, so we have to get that title first. So to do this, you just put the cursor on top of the picture. That's it. And a title will pop up. In this case, the photo title is Photo of Abraham Lincoln. So in our Word document, we would type that, Photo of Abraham Lincoln, period, digital image, period. Now we go back and look for the title of the website. Well, the title of the website is the White House, whitehouse.org. So we could go ahead and post that into our Word document, and we need to make sure that we put this in italics, period. Next, they want the date that it was published, so we would go back to that picture and we would look for some information on that website to see when that picture was actually added. It does not give us that information. If that's the case, then you can skip that part. So we would actually type in web at this point and then today's date. So we could put 13 August 2014 followed by a period. Then we would need to do an abbreviated URL, www.whitehouse.org, inside the arrows, and you want to make sure that your citations have a hanging indentation. To do that, you need to copy it, right click, go to paragraph, and make sure your line spacing says single and your indentation says hanging, and then that's going to create that correct citation for you. There's another way to do this, and this is the easy cheat version, but I wanted to show this to you last. You can use online citation makers like NightCite to fill in the information that you need for your citations or your bibliography. When you go to NightCite, You can find books, encyclopedias, dictionaries, all of the information and resources on the left side. You can actually click on these, and like multimedia, if you found a picture, we would click on multimedia, fill in all the information that we could find, and we would click submit. I highly recommend that you refer to this sheet when you are citing your sources, at least picture-wise, because it is handy and you can cite them more quickly. If you have any questions, you can ask and let me know. I hope this helps, and you might need to refer to it often, as you will be citing sources and pictures in upcoming projects. Thanks, guys.